Isinusulong ngayon ng Science and Technology Department ang pagpapatibay sa Blue Economy na siyang makakatulong sa turismo, maritime transportation at ekonomiya ng bansa. Yan ang ulat ni Rod Lagusad.
Malaking bahagi ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas ang yamang tubig, lalo't archipelagic o kapuluan ng bansa natin. Kaya hindi matatawaran ang maritime resources na meron tayo. Kaya mahalagang pagtuunan ng pansin ang Blue Economy o maritime industry, kung saan nakasentro ang National Science, Technology and Innovation Week ngayong taon ng DOST.
In reality, all of the sectoral councils of the DOST, BSIR, PICARD, PCHRD, and NRCP, and of course NAST, would have Blue Economy as part of their agenda. Look at the seaward side of our resources, which are essentially untapped. And there we can actually have more economic development.
Dito sa Iloilo City, kasama ang kabuuan ng Visayas ay napakalaga ng ekonomiyang ito. Ayon kay Engineer Rowan Gelonga, Regional Director ng DOST Region 6, ang Visayas ang isa sa pinakamalaking producer ng fishery products. Malaking bahagi din ng Blue Economy ang turismo dito, tulad ng Boracay, Cebu at iba pa. At maging ang maritime transportation o pagbiyahe patungo sa iba pang mga isla.
We would like to invite everybody to take a look at the critical importance of the Blue Economy, not only for the Visayas regions, but for the entire country. Remember, for every hectare of terrestrial land, so for every hectare, for every square meter of land that we have 7 square meters of marine waters. That's how important the Blue Economy is to the Philippines.
Binigyan din niya na kinakailangang pagtibayan ng Blue Economy. Paliwanag niya, malaki ang ambag nito sa gross domestic product ng bansa.
If you look into the fisheries sector, based on 2019 figures, the fisheries sector contributes around 1.9% of our GDP, more or less. Yung tourism natin, which is mainly anchored on our islands and coastal areas, it contributes around 12% of our GDP.
Nasa 12% din anya ang ambag sa GDP noong 2019 ng maritime transportation, kung saan bahagi nito ang pagbabiyahe ng mga produkto. Rod Lagusad, para sa Bayan.